Stuck in a rut trying to figure out how to import wholesale products from China? It's a common challenge, especially for entrepreneurs and small businesses trying to scale up. But fear not, because today we'll delve into the step-by-step process of importing wholesale products from China. First things first, gaining an in-depth understanding of the product you wish to import is crucial. Do your research, know your product inside and out. This will help you find the right supplier and negotiate the best deals. Once you're clear on what you're looking for, it's time to find a reliable freight forwarder. These are companies or individuals who can help you with the logistics of shipping your goods from China to your country. Now, you might be wondering, how do you find the product and the supplier? Well, Alibaba is your answer. It's a platform that connects you with thousands of manufacturers and suppliers from China. Remember, Alibaba is ideal for business-to-business transactions. If you're looking for smaller quantities or individual products, AliExpress would be the better choice. But here's an important note. Importing is most profitable when done in bulk quantities. Ordering small quantities can lead to higher costs, making your product more expensive and less competitive in the market. So to sum it up, 1. Understand your product completely. 1. Find a reliable freight forwarder. 1. Use Alibaba to find your supplier. 1. Always order in bulk to maximize profit. This process may seem daunting at first, but with time, patience, and due diligence, you'll be on your way to successfully importing wholesale products from China. Remember, every entrepreneur's journey is filled with learning and growth. Don't be disheartened by initial challenges. Instead, use them as stepping stones on your path to success. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep striving and thriving.